बाद में अकेले में मिलना।
तब सटकेगी भी और रिजल्ट भी मिलेगा।
आपकी भी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़े आर हैं, तो आप मानती हैं कि आर बहुत लकी फैक्टर है आपके लिए?
Okay, his question was.
I understood the question. What was the biggest difficulty while shooting the film RRR?
Anyways, thank you for making me feel so old.
I was expecting that.
लैंग्वेज और बैरियर नहीं होता, मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ क्योंकि धनया जी प्रोड्यूसर हैं और इनको हिंदी नहीं आती, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती।
आलिया जी, ऑन योर लेफ्ट हाय, ऑन योर लेफ्ट हाय। आलिया जी, आजकल का जो सबसे ट्रेंडिंग अल्फ़ाबेट है वो है आर। सो आपकी भी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़े आर हैं, तो आप मानती हैं कि आर बहुत लकी फैक्टर है आपके लिए?
I'm stumped. मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है. I'm trying to be intelligent right now. I don't have a good answer. G. R is a lovely alphabet, but so is A.
First of all, I would just like to tell you something.
Don't tell anything. Please.
I mean, it's please do not even compare me with Ajay sir for his seniority, for a man he is. We were kids. We grew up watching his films, and he was our very own action superstar then and even now. So I still remember his entry in Phul Aur Khante, where he was standing on top of a bike, and I was like, yaar, aisa kaise ho sakta hai, yaar, can I do it? And my mom was like, no. This is movie and it happens only in movies. This doesn't happen in real life. I mean, like, see, I've watched my grandfather's films, my uncle's films. We've watched a lot of films. That entry for me was like crazy. So please, when I worked with him, with Ajay sir, it was like working with a guru. I mean, like we didn't have the opportunity to share screen space with him, but the small opportunity I had to go and like visit the sets when he was working, it really felt very, it was, I cherished it a lot. Seeing such a gentleman and that's about it for me. That's my feeling.
जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा, anyways, thank you for making me feel so old.
I was expecting that.
बट हाँ, हमारा काम स्क्रीन पे हम साथ में नहीं है फिल्म में, बट शूटिंग के वक्त इन्होंने विजिट किया था, एंड इट वाज वी हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. वी हैड लंच टुगेदर एंड इट वाज लवली.
आता माझी सटकली.
साथ में नहीं, I'll say you repeat. आता माझी सटकली. I did this.
आता माझी सटकली. That's from Singham, right?
ठीक है.
మౌలి గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు. ఎన్టీఆర్ అన్న గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్, ముంబైకి వచ్చినందుకు. నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, మీ అన్నగారు ఎన్టీఆర్ అన్న గారు మీకు బిగ్గెస్ట్ డిఫికల్టీ ఎప్పుడు అనిపించింది సార్ షూటింగ్లోన, అంటే ఆర్ఆర్ఆర్ షూటింగ్లోన?
Okay, his question was.
I understood the question. What was the biggest difficulty while shooting the film RRR? I've understood. Let me tell you, on set, before you answer that question, NTR and Ramcharan were always talking to each other in Telugu in front of me, and I was always looking like one tennis ball, left, right, center, waiting for somebody to translate it to me. Now I'll start translating.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
You all
There were so
always-
many times we really felt that, we should not talk in Telugu and make sure we speak in English or Hindi so that Alia understands what we're talking about.
No, you all were purposely
Like
trying to
that,
trouble
maybe we were rehearsing our lines or dialogues or whatever. But yeah, every part of shooting for Triple R was really demanded a lot from us. As actors, as individuals, we really had to put in our heart and soul for it. Because that man there has put in that much of belief in us, so we'll have to deliver it. We had to.
लैंग्वेज और बैरियर नहीं होता, मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ क्योंकि धनया जी प्रोड्यूसर हैं और इनको हिंदी नहीं आती, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती। तो मतलब हम लोग नंबर पे ही पेपर पे लिखते थे और एक दूसरे को समझते थे कि हम राजा मौली जी तक कैसे भी करके कन्विंस करके ये मुझे इस फिल्म का हिस्सा बनाएंगे। तो मुझे कोई ऐसा ये नहीं था कि और दूसरा इनकी फिल्म जो हमें हमारे पार्टनर हैं संजय जी, अमिताभ जी, जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं पेन मरुधर, और हम लोग की टीम ये पहली फिल्म होगी जो हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखने मिलेगी। कभी पार्टनरशिप नहीं होती कि जी पे आने वाली फिल्म स्टार पे नहीं दिखती, तो ये पहली फिल्म होगी कि जो हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखने मिलेगी।
హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చినప్పుడు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడదాం.
Thank you so much. Yes, please.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్లీజ్.
Most scary part was I had to speak in Telugu. I think I managed eventually.
హలో
नहीं वैसा नहीं होता है यार, you know, it's like you just have to, I mean, नहीं, you know, this doesn't happen in our industry when you're working for a movie with Jakanna. You're there, you know, you're in there for a long time and you have to accept it. The sooner you accept, the better it is.
Sir, I want to work with you. And he said, you know, he was very gracious and said, yes, I would love to work with you as well. I said, sir, I'll do anything. Just give me a part in your film. I want to work with you.
Naatu. The step has been very much famous in like short period of time. There has been more than 10,000 like, reels are saying up. There are more hits on it where you see more 10 lakhs of views and likes are there on your completely one that hook step in very short period of time. I just want to know how much time it took for you to practice that and the bond, because that's quite a kind of tuning with the step. Was it so easy or tough?
It was actually a very easy step. I'm not trying to tell you it's a very tough step. A very easy step, yeah. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. It's actually very easy. But I don't know. It's him who's made it feel very tough. we were, you know, because of the pandemic, we couldn't shoot here in India. So he took us all the way to Kiev in Ukraine and tortured us there. I mean, 18 takes for that step. Purely because he wanted us to, you know, like, he would sit in front of the monitor and step freeze the step so that the coordination, the sync between me and Charan is like on dot. I mean, how can you do it? I went up to him and said, see, both of us have different styles of dancing. So as a director, bring that style together. He's like, no. I said, it is my style.
Because it was Rajmouli sir's style, na? It was his
Yeah,
idea.
absolutely. So every day, well, I don't know, yeah, you know, even the weather was so, you know, like we were very unlucky. The sun would set at 8 in the night and would rise at 6 in the morning. So 8 ke baad, 9 baje tak, he would make us go through the rehearsal, again start off at 6 in the morning. So I was like, why did we do these rehearsals when you're automatically, any which way is going to take 20 takes there?
Okay, Rajmouli sir,
It was
one more question.
torturous.
I don't think so. I don't think there is any space that he's not comfortable with. He's lying. I narrated him his role. The first question he asked me is, when do you need my dates? You know?
To not dedicate dates, you have to dedicate years to that movie. It is
Basically dedicating your whole lifetime.
yes. So